Feeling overwhelmed by constant notifications and endless screen time? Imagine a life where you're more focused, less stressed, and truly connected with the world around you. In this video, we're diving into powerful digital detox strategies that will transform your mental clarity and well-being. Ready to rediscover hobbies, set tech-free boundaries, and boost your productivity? Let's get started. Definition of digital detox. Hey there! Have you ever felt like you're spending too much time on your phone or computer? That's where a digital detox comes in. A digital detox is a break from using electronic devices like smartphones, computers, and tablets. The goal is to reduce stress and focus more on real-life interactions. It's like giving your mind a mini vacation from the digital world. 1. Benefits of digital detox. Taking a digital detox can bring so many amazing benefits. Improved mental clarity and focus. Without constant distractions, your mind feels clearer and more focused. Reduced stress and anxiety levels. No more worrying about endless notifications or checking your phone every few minutes. Better sleep quality. Less screen time, especially before bed, leads to better, more restful sleep. Increased productivity and creativity. With fewer digital distractions, you can get more done and tap into your creative side. Enhanced relationships and social interactions. More face-to-face time with loved ones strengthens your relationships and makes interactions more meaningful. 2. Signs you need a digital detox. Wondering if you need a digital detox? Here are some signs. Feeling overwhelmed by constant notifications. If your phone is always buzzing and it's driving you crazy, it might be time for a break. Difficulty concentrating or completing tasks, struggling to focus on one thing at a time? Digital distractions could be the culprit. Feeling anxious or stressed without your devices. If being away from your phone makes you anxious, that's a clear sign. Reduced quality of sleep due to screen time. If you're not sleeping well and you're using screens late into the night, this could be why. Decreased face-to-face social interactions. If you're spending more time with your devices than with people, a detox can help you reconnect. 3. Setting clear goals. Before you start your digital detox, it's important to set clear goals. Here's how. Determine the specific reasons for your digital detox. Why do you want to take a break? Is it to reduce stress, improve sleep, or spend more time with family? Knowing your reasons will keep you motivated. Set clear, achievable goals for your detox period. Decide what you want to achieve. Maybe it's spending an hour less on your phone each day, or having device-free dinners. Make sure your goals are realistic and specific. For creating a plan. Now that you've set your goals, it's time to create a plan. Here's how to do it. Outline a detailed plan for your detox. Think about how long you want your detox to last. It could be a weekend, a week, or even just a few hours each day. Be specific about the duration. Include specific activities to replace screen time. Plan fun and engaging activities to fill the time you'd normally spend on devices. This could be reading a book, going for a walk, cooking, or spending time with friends and family. 5. Start small. Hey there! Thinking about starting a digital detox but feeling a bit overwhelmed? No worries, you can start small. Begin with short detox periods, like just a few hours a day. It's all about taking baby steps. For instance, you can start by setting aside an hour each evening where you put away your phone and other devices. As you get comfortable with this, gradually increase the duration. Maybe next week, try extending it to 2 hours, or even half a day on the weekend. The key is to ease into it so it doesn't feel too drastic. 6. Identify triggers. Next up, let's talk about identifying triggers. It's important to recognize the situations and emotions that lead to excessive screen time. Do you reach for your phone when you're bored, stressed, or lonely? Maybe you find yourself scrolling endlessly when you're avoiding a task or feeling anxious. By identifying these triggers, you can develop strategies to manage them. For example, if you use your phone when you're bored, have a list of alternative activities ready, like reading a book or going for a walk. If stress drives you to your screen, try deep breathing exercises or mindfulness practices instead. 7. Designate tech-free zones. Creating tech-free zones in your home can be a game changer. These are areas where technology is not allowed, such as the bedroom or dining area. This helps in reducing screen time and promoting real-life interactions. For example, make your bedroom a tech-free zone to improve your sleep quality. Instead of scrolling through your phone in bed, read a physical book or meditate. At the dining table, focus on having meaningful conversations with your family or friends without the distraction of devices. These small changes can make a big difference in your daily life. 8. Schedule tech-free times. Setting specific times each day for a digital break is another great strategy. For instance, you can have tech-free times during meals or an hour before bedtime. This helps in establishing a routine where you're not constantly checking your devices. During meals, enjoy your food and engage with those around you. Before bedtime, wind down with a relaxing activity like taking a bath, journaling, or doing some light stretches. Scheduling these tech-free times can help you be more present and improve your overall well-being. 9. Use technology mindfully. Lastly, let's talk about using technology mindfully. It's about being intentional with when and how you use your devices. Focus on necessary and productive use rather than mindless scrolling. For example, set specific times to check your emails or social media rather than doing it continuously throughout the day. Use apps and tools that help you stay organized and productive. When using your phone, ask yourself if it's truly necessary at that moment or if it can wait. This way, you can make more conscious choices about your tech use. 10. Engage in offline activities. Hey there! One of the best parts of a digital detox is rediscovering hobbies and activities that don't involve screens. Think about the things you used to enjoy before smartphones and computers took over. Maybe it's reading a good book, hiking in nature, cooking a new recipe, or even picking up a musical instrument. These offline activities can be incredibly fulfilling. For example, dive into a novel you've been meaning to read or try out a new recipe and treat yourself to a delicious homemade meal. Not only will these activities keep you entertained, but they'll also help you relax and recharge. 11. Reconnect with nature. Spending time outdoors is another fantastic way to boost your mood and mental clarity. Nature has a way of refreshing our minds and lifting our spirits. You don't have to go far. A local park or even your backyard can do wonders. Take a walk, go for a hike, have a picnic, or simply sit and enjoy the scenery. Listen to the birds, feel the breeze, and soak in the natural beauty around you. Reconnecting with nature can provide a wonderful break from the digital world and help you feel more grounded. 12. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine can enhance your awareness and presence in the moment. Mindfulness is all about being fully present and engaged with whatever you're doing. Start with simple practices like focusing on your breath for a few minutes each day. Meditation can also be incredibly beneficial. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and focus on your breathing or use a guided meditation app. These practices can help reduce stress, improve your concentration, and make you more aware of your thoughts and feelings. 13. Physical exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity is key to reducing stress and improving overall well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, dancing, or hitting the gym, find something you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. You don't need to commit to long workouts, even 20 to 30 minutes a day can make a big difference. Plus, exercising outdoors can combine the benefits of physical activity and nature, giving you a double boost. 14. Quality sleep. Getting quality sleep is crucial, and a big part of that is establishing a bedtime routine that excludes screen time. The blue light from screens can interfere with your sleep cycle, making it harder to fall asleep. Aim to turn off all screens at least an hour before bed. Instead, wind down with calming activities like reading a physical book, taking a warm bath, or practicing some gentle yoga or stretching. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can help signal to your body that it's time to sleep, leading to better rest and improved overall health. 15. Digital minimalism. This approach means keeping only the essential apps and notifications on your devices. Take a look at your phone or computer and ask yourself which apps you really need and use regularly. Delete the ones that aren't essential. Next, turn off unnecessary notifications. Do you really need to know every time someone likes your photo or sends you an email? Probably not. By minimizing these distractions, you'll find it easier to focus on what's truly important. 16. Social media detox. Social media can be fun, but it can also lead to comparison and negative emotions. Taking breaks from social media platforms can help you feel better. Start with short breaks, maybe a day or a weekend. See how you feel without constantly checking your feeds. You might find that you feel less stressed and more present. Gradually, you can extend these breaks or limit your daily social media use. Remember, it's about finding a balance that works for you. 17. Digital declutter. Just like a messy room, a cluttered digital space can be overwhelming. It's time for a digital declutter. Start by organizing your emails. Unsubscribe from newsletters you never read and delete old messages. Next, clean up your files and apps. Delete duplicates, move important documents to clearly labeled folders, and get rid of apps you don't use. A tidy digital space can make you feel more organized and in control. 18. Set boundaries. Communicating your digital detox plan to friends, family, and colleagues is important. Let them know you're taking a break from screens and why. Set clear boundaries, like not checking work emails after a certain time or having device-free family dinners. This helps set expectations and ensures everyone is on the same page. It also gives you the support you need to stick to your detox plan. 19. Track your progress. Keeping a journal to document your experiences, challenges, and successes during the detox can be really helpful. Write down how you feel each day, what's working, and what's not. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Plus, it's rewarding to look back and see how far you've come. 20. Reflect on your digital habits. Take some time to assess your relationship with technology. How does it affect your life and well-being? Are there specific areas where you feel technology is more of a hindrance than a help? Reflecting on these questions can provide valuable insights and help you make more mindful choices about your tech use. 21. Replace screen time with quality time. Instead of spending time on screens, engage in meaningful conversations and activities with loved ones. Plan fun activities like game nights, outdoor adventures, or simply have a nice dinner together. Quality time with family and friends can strengthen your relationships and provide a much-needed break from digital distractions. 22. Unplug for mental health. Excessive screen time is linked to various mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Recognize this link and take proactive steps to reduce your screen time. By unplugging more often, you can improve your mental health and overall well-being. Consider activities that relax and rejuvenate you, such as reading, meditation, or spending time in nature. 23. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking can be tempting, but it often leads to reduced productivity and increased stress. Instead, practice single tasking. Focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention. You'll find that you can complete tasks more efficiently and with better quality. Plus, it's less stressful. 24. Digital detox retreats. If you're looking for a more immersive experience, consider attending a digital detox retreat. These retreats are designed to help you unplug completely and focus on relaxation, self-care, and personal growth. They often include activities like yoga, meditation, and nature walks. It's a great way to reset and gain new perspectives. 25. Tech-free mornings. Starting your day without screens can set a positive tone and boost productivity. Instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning, try other activities like stretching, meditating, or having a leisurely breakfast. Tech-free mornings can help you feel more energized and focused throughout the day. 26. Limit work-related screen time. Set boundaries for work-related device use, especially outside of working hours. Decide on specific times when you'll check and respond to work emails or messages. This helps create a better work-life balance and ensures you have time to relax and recharge. 27. Encourage family detox time. Get your family involved in the detox process. Plan tech-free activities that everyone can enjoy, like board games, cooking together, or going for a walk. This not only strengthens your family bonds but also sets a positive example for healthy tech use. 28. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and reward yourself for achieving milestones in your digital detox journey. Whether it's a week without social media or successfully implementing tech-free mornings, celebrate your progress. Treat yourself to something special or plan a fun activity as a reward. 29. Sustain long-term changes. Finally, use the insights and habits you've gained from your digital detox to make lasting changes. Reflect on what worked well and how you felt during the detox. Incorporate these practices into your daily life to maintain a healthy balance with technology. Underscore 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 underscore. By adopting digital minimalism, taking social media breaks, decluttering your digital space, setting boundaries, tracking your progress, reflecting on your habits, replacing screen time with quality time, unplugging for mental health, focusing on one task at a time, considering detox retreats, having tech-free mornings, limiting work-related screen time, encouraging family detox time, celebrating milestones, and sustaining long-term changes, you can create a healthier relationship with technology. Enjoy your journey towards a more balanced and fulfilling life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Drop a comment below with your own digital detox experiences or any questions you have. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and let's support each other on this journey to a healthier, more balanced life.